Hey everybody, Jim here. Sorry I haven't been around for a while. I've been busy taking care of my newborn. Well, he's not exactly a newborn anymore, he's around 6 months. But I'm ready to get back on the YouTube channel and show you guys a few more tutorials. Um, for today, I'm going to be showing you how to change your oil on your 4th Gen Sienna. Reasons why I changed my oil. One, I don't trust the dealerships. Two, I have the tools for it. And three, it's cheap. So without further ado, this is how you do it. Oh yeah, and read the disclaimer. All right, so let's go over what you need. All right, so I have a variety of items here. Here I have 3 wrenches and a screwdriver. You're gonna need a 14 millimeter socket. I put 2 of them on my torque wrench and my regular ratcheting wrench, and then you're gonna need another wrench for the oil filter tool. And then you're gonna need something to catch your oil and a funnel, and then you're gonna need 4.8 quarts of 0W16. I'm using Castrol Edge, but you could use whatever oil you want. And then for the filter, it's right here. Here's the part number. Now you need a means to lift up your car. Here I'm going to be using ramps and some wheel chocks for the rear wheels. You could use a jack, it's your choice, but for me this is the quickest and safest way. Don't forget your drain plug washer. You want to replace this at every oil change. I'll post the part number in the description below. Okay, so now that we have the van lifted, we can prepare to get under the van to drain the oil. Okay, so under the hood, we want to pull out the dipstick as such and then loosen the oil cap. This way the oil will flow more freely when you drain it. Okay, when you're under the van, you're going to see a cover for the drain pan. It's easily removed once you remove those 4 Phillips screws right there. And it falls out once you remove all the screws. With the cover removed, this is the view of the drain pan and the oil filter. You're going to want to remove the 14 millimeter drain plug on the left of the screen, and then you're going to want to remove the oil filter on the right of the screen. Have a catch can ready so you can remove the drained oil. Now when the oil's done draining from the pan, you want to remove the oil filter as such with your Toyota tool. Have your catch can ready as oil will fall out as well. One note, before you install the new oil filter, remember to take out the plastic covering. Once you remove it, you won't need to lube the O-ring as it's pre-lubed, as you can see here. Okay, sorry for the rough image here, but this is how it looks like installed again. Remember, you want to twist it on till it makes contact with the surface and then a 3/4 turn. That's as tight as you need it to be. Now you want to torque the drain plug to 30 foot-pounds. Remember to replace your washer as well. After torquing the drain plug, put the plastic cover back on. Okay, now you can put your oil in. Remember, 4.8 quarts. Alright, so once you're done putting in the oil, replace the oil cap, push the dipstick in, start the car for 5 minutes, turn it off, then check your level by pulling the dipstick out. Alright, this is how you reset the light, or the oil maintenance light. Just look at the screen here, and it's pretty self-explanatory. And after this, you're done. Thanks for watching. Well, that concludes this video. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want me to post some more stuff about the Sienna. See you later.